Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your inner tire then on a Nissan Versa, and it's the same how to change your tire then on most cars these days. So stay tuned with me, and you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for the support. I'm going to go ahead and raise the car up. Go ahead and take the wheel off. So and to take the wheel off is 21 millimeters. Take the wheel off. So what you want to do is turn the steering wheel all the way to the side you're working on. So if you're on the left side, turn it all the way to the right. If you're on the right side, turn it all the way to the left. All right. So what I'm gonna do is remove this right here, remove this pin right, that's clip right here, and take it off down there too. I don't know if you can see this right there. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna take that off. All right. All right. So this is gonna be 17 millimeter. Take this a little some. All right. That's good enough. So now you want to get this 14 millimeter right here. Take that off. That's off right there. You want to get a hammer and knock right here. All right. Easy as that. So now what you want to do is take this off right here, and also this nut too. All right. Take that off. I'll go ahead and take this off right here. Come off too. Alright. So now I'm gonna break the clip that's inside here. I don't know if you can see it in there. Yeah, but I'm gonna break that, alright? Pull that off. And this is what I break, alright? So now you can use a pipe wrench and take this loose. But because I have the tool, I'm going to use the tool, alright? Yeah, you can get these tools to rent at AutoZone. If you want. Because it don't make no sense you buy any if you're gonna just do it one time. Alright, so that's the setup. Just this off right here. Alright, so that's how you take that out, guys. Alright, I'm gonna change it because it's bent, alright? Alright, so now part. Take it out. Tighten that up. Make sure you get it tight. Go ahead and tighten this. Alright, make sure you tighten that good enough. Alright, so now after you put the strap over there, you want to go ahead and put this clip over here too. Alright, so make sure you put both clip on, one down there and one right there, one right here. Go ahead and put on your nut. And after this, guys, you're gonna need to get the car to align. So you're gonna need alignment after this. So save your tires and make sure the car drives properly, alright? So yeah, you wanna go ahead and put this on, bring it down some. And what I do is I straighten the wheel over on the other side. And then I'm gonna set this, alright? Turn it and adjust it to make sure you get it just as straight as possible as you can, so you can drive it to the alignment shop. And that's it, guys. Easy as that. Tight. Go ahead and get your 17mm. Tighten this up. Alright. And that's it, my friend. That's how you change your inner tire then. And it's the same way how you change this inner and outer tire then, alright? Alright guys, so now it's time to put the tire on. After you double check your work and make sure everything is good. Alright guys, thank you for supporting me. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. And thank you guys. See you next time.